Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, and today we're going to take a look at Boston Whaler's 21 Montauk. The Montauk's been a popular model for 5 decades, 50 years the Montauks have been around. This 21 is the largest one in the Montauk lineup. This is a brand new 2024 here at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. This one's powered with the 200 Mercury on it. Super smooth shifting. They're very quiet too. As far as I'm concerned, the Mercury's got the quietest outboard on the market today. Really quiet. This one is done with the white finish, so in the summer heat down here in Florida, when you go and put your hand on it, it's not hot to the touch. It looks just great, matches the boat too. Let's take a little bit of a look at the boat. In the aft of the boat here, you have jump seats on either side with some nice backrests on them. Got some cup holders next to it. We've got a raw water wash down in the splash well right there. There's also a freshwater shower outlet down in there. This isn't just a fishing boat. This is a great cruise around boat too. So you've got lots of features on it that of course is going to give you the fishability. You got these shotgun rod holders. You got a big live well, but it's a great family boat just to cruise around in too. As you move forward towards the center console, you can see this double wide seat right here with flip-up thigh-rise bolsters on it. This one's equipped with the Simrad GPS and fish finder on it. And you've got a Simrad VHF radio on it as well. I know you can't see the outside of the boat, but this is the color on the outside of the boat. If you look up at the underside of the T-top here. So it's a great color, great looking boat all around. As we move forward to the bow area, one other thing about this T-top too, you can get this frame in a black or a white, so if you prefer that it matches the outboard motor, we can do that as well. But you see in the bow area, the nice big seating area. Again, not just a fishing boat, great family boat, but so look at the lounge area on the front of this. It's really big. You've also got a nice Yeti cooler in front of the console that's cushioned with a backrest on it as well. So couple seats there, couple seats there. I mean, you've easily got 6-8 people comfortably on this boat. This one is pre-rigged for a trolley motor. So your battery boxes are already on here, the wiring harness, the plug-in, it's all there already. Take a look at the bow, the classic Boston Whaler heavy-duty hardware that's on the bow there, something you see all across their lineup. This boat is at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. If you want to take it for a test ride or just stop by and see it, give me a call. My cell phone number is 904-625-6146.